Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how you can keep your ripe bananas longer without the fridge. I have a favorite regular method I usually use until I learned this new method that worked better, and I was like, I should share this with my YouTube fam. This could be of help. And this method keeps your bananas fresh and also prevents it from browning. So just follow the steps as seen in the video. Just in case it's your first time in this channel, you're very welcome. Please do consider subscribing by smashing on that red subscribe button down there to get yourself subscribed, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. For the first method, get a bowl and fill it up with water. Then drop the bunch of banana inside the water, but ensure that the water covers the bananas. So for the second method, we'll be wrapping the banana stems with plastic wraps like this. You can actually do this in bunch, like to wrap the stem of the bunch, but I prefer to bring them out like this in fingers, then wrap each and every one of them. For my research, I learned that banana releases ethylene gas, so the more gas it releases, the riper it becomes. So by sealing or by taping the stem of the bananas, you prevent the gas from escaping, thereby slowing the ripening process. So I'll just go ahead and place them in a flat plate like this and keep it. Every day I will just bring it and show us. So this is the second day and the bananas is still intact. As you can see, it's just exactly as it was yesterday. This is, and for the first method, that's the immersion type, every day just go ahead and change the water to a fresh one. This is the method I usually use before now, as in before I bumped into this new method I'm using. So this is the third day. And it's still very much intact, and this other one is still very intact. Nothing has happened yet, so let's keep watching. Our fingers are crossed. So as usual, I just go ahead and change the water. So this is the fourth day and my bananas are still intact. Man, this new method is something else. Like, the bananas are still intact. So there's a mistake I made. I was supposed to leave out one finger of the bananas as a gauge in measuring the ripening process of the other ones, or how long it can stay, but I forgot to do that. So this is the one I immersed. It's still very much intact. So as usual, I'll still change the water to a fresh one. So guys, this is day 5 and these bananas are still intact, very much intact. It may not be looking very sweet outside, but let me show you the inside. Very much intact, still fresh and not overripe. As you can see, look at it. So this method can keep your bananas more than 5 days outside of fridge. And for this one, really, I usually use this before now, but I've only used it to preserve my bananas up to 3 days. This is the first time I'm using this immersion method up to 5 days, and actually I don't like the outcome. So I'll say this can preserve your ripe bananas up to 3 days, because I've never kept it up to 5 days before. Up to 3 days. Look at, it's now overripe and it's too soft for my liking. But for the other method, the wrapping method, man, I'll give it 101%. Is the best way of preserving bananas for me until I get to learn a new method. This is my favorite and I will give it 100 over 100. So guys, if you're yet to smash on that red subscribe button down there, please endeavor to do so, beautiful soul. See you in my next video. Bye bye.